Pennington. We're at JTech. Right now we're going to be taking off our inner and outer tie rods on our rack and pinion. The tools you will need are a punch, hammer, breaker bar, inner tie rod tool with the adapter that fits, your wrench, and an adjustable wrench. So we're going to start by removing the outer tie rod. And once you run it loose, you'll be able to twist it off.
It takes a long time for this.
You might want to use gloves if you don't like to get your hands dirty. Alright, you take your nut off. Then slide your boots off. These boots, hopefully yours don't look like this. If they do, you should have replaced them a long time ago. Then you're going to take your inner tie rod tool and your adapter, which would fit around here in those grooves. We're going to put your adapter on and then lock it in place so it doesn't go anywhere. We're going to take it. Okay. First, because it can't slide around the thing. And then line it up with these grooves, like cutouts, whatever you want to call them.
See, the way that I hunt, I run dogs.
Alright, yeah, just like that, baby. This would be nice if it wasn't bent. Daggone, brother. Once you got it on there, you know, take your breaker bar, put it on the back, and then break it loose. Just like that. And you can take this off again. And you got your washer and this, and that's how you take it apart.
Yeah.
Alright. Now we're gonna put it back together. So, but you would replace your part. Alright, because you want this to be pretty stiff. So you're gonna replace that with the new one. Put this back on. Make sure your new washer is on. Alright. You're gonna tighten it up. Beautiful morning. You're the sound of my morning.
So now we'll put that together. It's the same thing but in reverse.
Then you're gonna tighten it up. Same way. You took it off, but only reverse. Just want to tighten it to where it's just tight and snug. We're going to take it off.
Like that. So you want to put that. So now we're make sure it's lined up.
And then with your washer around these grooves, we're going to hammer it on. Not too hard because you don't want to break the lip off. Just to where it bends over. And then you're going to put your new boots on. And then with this ring, you're going to with these rings right here, you're gonna replace, because these are one-time use only rings, and it's actually gonna, instead of it being here, it's supposed to be right here in this groove.
Put this back on.
So you're gonna replace new boot, new ring. This boot right here. Your nut. And when you take this off, you're gonna need to, and put it back on, you're gonna have to get an alignment done on your car, because you just adjusted the toe setting, and you're gonna want to put it back to where it's supposed to be.
No, put your boot on.
So who still needs to record? You two? You already done yours?
Alright. Now with this,
We're gonna go for a little break after these guys are done.
You know what time this is?
tighten it up, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.